Watch this beautiful Nishamini Creek. See the water flowing so nicely. Bunch of leaves come on top. Some of them go to the bottom. And the water seems to be flowing very smoothly. And this is what happens to us all the time. Our life is like this. It's a moment of meditation. Can we be like this? But then it switches. It switches in a different direction. And now look what's happening. Same water coming in, meeting resistances. Now you see the current here. The water has to find its own way, own direction. The mind is flexible. How flexible can we be? Can we be like this? Obstructions come, little turbulence occurs. You get around it, get around the obstacles. A little turbulence in life, but watch what happens afterwards. Again, smooth sailing. This is entirely the life picture right here.